Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sign up or log in. Save your chat history, share chats, and personalize your experience. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to perform addition and subtraction operations in Python. These are fundamental arithmetic operations, and Python provides straightforward syntax and built-in functions to carry them out. Addition is the process of combining two or more numbers to find their sum. In Python, you can perform addition using the plus operator or the built-in sum function for adding multiple numbers. Subtraction is the process of finding the difference between two numbers. In Python, you can perform subtraction using the operator. In this tutorial, you learned how to perform addition and subtraction operations in Python using both the plus and operators as well as the sum function for addition. These fundamental arithmetic operations are frequently used in various programming tasks, and understanding how to perform them is essential for any Python programmer. Experiment with different numbers and scenarios to get a better grasp of these concepts.